Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, we're going to make a really easy sweet and sour sauce. So as you can see, the ingredients there, and these are in parts. So 1 part sugar, 1 part vinegar, 2 parts of the ketchup, 1/4 sesame seed oil, 1/4 garlic, 1/4 ginger, a little bit of black pepper to taste. You can play around with this as much as you want. This is just the ingredients that I'm using. I like these little measurements. You could use white sugar, I'm using a brown, or honey if you want it. This is really easy. Let's get over to the cooker. So we're going to start with a pan, and we're going to keep this on a very, very low heat, and we're going to add in the oil. This is going to give it a lovely nutty flavour, the sesame oil. Then to that, we're going to add the garlic and the ginger. Now we don't want to be browning this. All we want to do is just let it go just for like, a minute and a half on a nice low heat. Okay, this is coming on really nicely. Now simply we're going to add in the vinegar, keeping this on a nice low heat. We're going to now add in the sugar. Like I say, I'm using a brown sugar, which I think works really well, but you could use white sugar or even honey, like I say. Then we're going to go with the ketchup, the 2 parts ketchup in there, along with a little bit of black pepper. Now we need to sort of just cook this for about 5 minutes on a low heat. We kind of want to dissolve all of the sugar. Think about maybe if you wanted a little bit of 5 spice in there, maybe a little touch of chili. That's up to you. You can just play around, like I say. And then to that, all we're going to do is add a little splash of water. Keep stirring that around, nice low heat. And there you go. That is looking fantastic. We're about halfway through now. As you can see, it's changed colour. Nice and sticky. And that's it. Off goes the heat. As you can see, it's reduced down. Slightly deeper colour. So easy. So this is great as a dipping sauce. You can get some tempura and dip that in if you wanted. Or you could be using that to add to some fried chicken or some fried vegetables or other meats. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please do click the bell icon below, and we'll see you soon. Lots of love.